Yeah, here we have a 12-inch double bevel sliding compound miter saw made by Dewalt. We have it powered up just to show you that it does operate. It's got this nifty little light on here too also, as you can see. Anyway, powered up. So we checked all the functions on here. Everything appears to operate nicely. The swivels, the base. Of course, it tilts back and forth there. Yeah, for some reason this on the deck here, the blade comes awfully close to right here. We made some adjustments to the slide mechanism, and it seems to be okay now. Other than that, it's in fantastic condition. Also ships in its original carton here, and it includes an instruction manual.